Well, hi there, everybody. We are going to make some cinnamon apple chips this afternoon. And I've got a few apples here and I have my mandolin here. We're going to take, these are Macs right here, and I found my Grammie's Cora. What we're going to do is take the Cora and you stick it right in just like that and push it right through, and that cleans the apple out. See? Just like that. Peekaboo, I see you. Okay. Then, what we're going to do, we've lined a cookie sheet. And you need some cinnamon and sugar, or just cinnamon. I'm using cinnamon and sugar. And what we're going to do, I've got my mandolin here, and I've got it on 1/8 of an inch to slice. So if you don't have a mandolin, you can just slice it. Put it on just like that. And we're going to go down just like this. I have not used this for a long time, so we'll see how it's gonna work. I may want to come up a little bit, I'm not sure. I'd rather do it with my hands. Oh no, that's coming out nice. Let me show you. This is 1/8 of an inch right here. Look at this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to line the cookie sheet just like this. And you don't want to stack them, you just want to place them nicely. And I think I'll go up to, let's see, 3/16, I think. Oh, I don't know. I'll bake the first batch and see how they're going to come out. And these are going to be really good. They're called cinnamon apple chips. And once they dry in the oven, you put the oven on at 200 and let them stay in there for 2 or 3 hours until they get crisp. And then you take them out and you let them cool. Make sure they're cool and put them in the airtight container. And I shouldn't do this. But I'm going to. Because you've got to use safety with your fingers. Because this is very, very sharp. I just needed a few slices just to finish this up. Just like that. And then what you're going to do is I've got some cinnamon sugar here of your choice, or you can just put cinnamon on it. And we're just going to put a little dab, and stick it in the oven at 200. And that's what they look like. And we'll bring you back. And if you don't have parchment paper, make sure you spray your cookie sheet. I'll bring you back. Okay, folks, I'm back, and it took 3 hours. I'm pooped. We just got done eating dinner. These are very crisp. Here they are right here. They look beautiful. It made the whole house smell really good. So, here's one right here. I want you to hear it. Hopefully you could hear it. See, it snapped. And I'm gonna try one. Oh yeah, these are so darn good. I know what I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. I'm gonna be making a whole bunch of these. I only made this one pan because Ray needed my help today. But I'll leave everything in the description box below. And try it. These are really yummy snacks. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. Look at that. Wow. And this will be a good healthy snack to take to my aunt. And like I said, please give me thumbs up so YouTube can recognize I'm getting some action over here on my channel. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Please give this I like him because this is a good healthy snack. I like to see a little bit more of these come. I love sugar. I'm trying to pull away from it. So you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great evening. God bless.